Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from KuCoin. First, ensure your identity verification is complete, as this affects your daily withdrawal limits. You'll also need to make sure the funds you wish to withdraw are in your main account. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Let's get started with the process. To begin, log into your KuCoin account. From the navigation bar, select Assets, then Overview, and finally Withdraw to access the withdrawal page. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from the drop-down menu. Then, input the recipient's wallet address and the desired withdrawal amount. It is crucial to select the correct blockchain network that is compatible with your receiving wallet. Always review the displayed withdrawal fees and minimum withdrawal amounts, as these vary by coin and network. Double-check all the details, including the address and network, before confirming. Incorrect network selection can lead to permanent fund loss. To finalize your withdrawal, you will need to complete security verification. This typically involves entering your 6-digit trading password and a 2-factor authentication code. KuCoin may also send an email verification link that you must click to confirm the request. After these steps, you can monitor the transaction status in your withdrawal history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.